Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be trying to restart our jet ski battery. Last time I drove this, it wouldn't start. I got stranded in the lake. So that was pretty fun. Never go on a jet ski without a paddle. Lesson learned. Anyway, so my battery is officially dead, RIP. The dealership said that they need to replace the battery because it's probably dead. I found this thing online. It's called CTEK MXS, and there's an MX 0.8 as well. Apparently this can recondition your battery, so if it is dead, it can maybe fix it up. I'm going to try it out for the first time, and I'll let you know if it works. So to unlock it, do clockwise. Then you can pull it out. You hear that click? Pulls out, not like that. That's the battery right there. That's positive. Just a bit of plastic on it that you can just pull open. So now we've got access to the positive and the negative. So this is the CTEK kit. You plug it in to the battery. You can use these plugs, and you've got to plug it into also the mains. It's on car mode, and you can click the mode switch to add in reconditioning. Motorbike, add in reconditioning. So it's on motorbike reconditioning. It takes a couple of seconds. It's just going to do the desulphation mode, which might be actually really good for this battery. Step 2 can sometimes take a few hours, but the good thing is it's past step 2 and now it's on step 3. Step 3 means it's actually charging. So pretty much you leave this alone for a few hours and I'll come back. So I'll come back in about an hour, see what it's up to. I don't want to leave that exposed, so I'm going to cover this up. Alright, so it's been just over an hour. So step 1, desulphation. That could last up to 8 hours. Step 2 is a soft start, and that tests if the battery can accept charge, and that can last up to 8 hours. On my car, it was a couple of hours for a soft start. Then it's bulk charging, that's up to 20 hours, depending on how much power you need into your battery. So bulk fills it up to 80% of the battery level. Then it does absorption. It lowers the current to get the battery up to 100%. And now we're on step 5 here. So that's analyze step. So that tests if the battery can hold charge. So this is where we're going to potentially get an error. As you can see, we've got an error sign there. So that means that the battery can't hold charge. Alright, so I wasn't able to charge my jet ski battery using the motorcycle mode. It came over an error, which means that the battery can't keep its charge. It's out in the elements. But I'm now switching to car charging modes. Alright guys, I finally got some good news. On the third attempt, the first few attempts, I was getting that error explanation right here, the analyze step. On the third attempt, it's now on the reconditioning step. So it's past step 5 and it's on step number 6. I think what fixed it is the step number 1, desulphation. Because when I switched it over to the car mode, down from the start, it pretty much took 8 hours on step 1 to desulfate the battery. So I think doing those 2 cycles of desulfate is what got it past step number 5. Now we're on step number 6, so we're reconditioning the battery at the moment. So I'll check back later today, tomorrow morning, to see how it's going. But yeah, finally some success. We're on step number 6. Next day. We are green. You can see that green bar. We are green. The battery is good. It looks like we're good. We got a green battery, so it's time to take the baby out for a spin. Hopefully I won't get stranded this time. Yeah, I got it on my little rope just in case. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
It actually started up. It wasn't working before. Last time I got stranded. I might not have to use my emergency paddle. I'm ready. Alright guys, good news, it worked. Gotta say, happy with this. It did take about 3 or 4 attempts. I think the desulphation mode is what saved the battery. After about 3 goes, the battery was fixed. It went to level 7, which means that it's just waiting for it to trickle charge. So that's really good, passed analysis. It did reconditioning, so I'm happy, and it worked. I'll let you know how long it lasts after this revival, and I hope this helps someone out there. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.